I am reading the medical affirmations. You selected birth defects, karmic. You selected to come that way. We choose our parents and our children, unfinished business. Affirmation, every experience is perfect for our growth process. I am at peace and where I am. Bites, fear, open to every slight. Affirmation, I forgive myself and I love myself now and forevermore. Bites, animal, anger turned inward. A need for punishment, affirmation, I am free. Bites, bug, guilt over small things. Affirmation, I am free of all irritations. All is well. Blackheads, pimples, small outbursts of anger. Affirmation, I calm my thought and I am serene. Bladder problems, anxiety, holding on to old ideas. Fear of letting go, being pissed off. Affirmation, I comfortably and easily release the old and welcome the new in my life. I am safe. Bleeding, joy running out, anger but where? Affirmation, I am the joy of life, expressing and receiving in perfect rhythm. Now, alphabet ailments affirmations. B. Bleeding gums, lack of joy in the decisions made in life. Affirmation, I trust that right action is always taking place in my life. I am at peace. Blisters, resistance, lack of emotional protection. Affirmation, I gently flow with life and each new experience. All is well. Blood represents joy in the body, flowing freely. I am the joy of life, expressing and receiving. Blood pressure high, hypertension, long standing emotional problems not solved. Affirmation, I joyously release the past. I am at peace. Blood pressure low, lack of love as a child. Defeatism, what is the use? It won't work anyway. Affirmation, I now choose to live in the ever. Joyous now. My life is a joy. Blood problems, lack of joy, lack of circulation ideas. Affirmation, joyous new ideas are circulating freely with me. Blood anemic, C anemia. Blood clotting, closing down the flow of joy. Affirmation, I am awaken new life within me, I flow. Body order, fear, dislike of the self, fear of others. Affirmation, I love and approve of myself. I am safe. Boils, anger, boiled over. Seething affirmation. I express love and joy and I am at peace. Bones represents the structure of the universe. Affirmation, I am well structured and balanced. Bone marrow represents deepest belief about the self. How you support and care for yourself. Affirmation, divine spirit is the structure of my life. I am safe and loved and totally supported. Uh, Bone problems, bone breaks, rebelling against authority. In my word, I am my own authority, for I am the only one who thinks in my mind. Bone deformity, mental pressure and tightness, muscles can't stretch, loss of mental mobility. Affirmation, I breathe in my life fully, I relax and trust the flow of process of life. Bowl represents the release of waste. Letting go is easy. Bowl problems, fear of letting go of the old and no longer needed. Affirmation, I freely and easily release the old and joyously welcome the new. Brain represents the computer, the switchboard. Affirmation, I am loving operator of my mind. Brain tumor, incorrect computerized beliefs. Stubborn, refusing to change the old patterns. Affirmation, it is easy for me to reprogram the computer of my mind. All of life is change and my mind is ever new. Breast represents mothering and nurturing. Affirmation, I take in and give out nourishment in perfect balance. Breast problems, cysts, lumps, soreness, a refusal to nourish the self. Putting everyone else first. Over mothering. Affirmation, I am important. I count. I now care and nourish myself with love and joy. I allow others the freedom to be who they are. We all are safe and free. Alphabets, ailment, affirmation. The breath represents the ability to take in life. Affirmation, I love life. It is safe to live. Breathing problems, fear of the refusal to take in life fully, not feeling the right to take up space or even exist. Affirmation, it is my birthright to live fully and freely. I am worth loving. I now choose to live life fully. Bride's disease, feeling like a kid who can't do it right and it's good enough. A failure loss. Affirmation, I love and approve of myself. I care for me. I totally adequate at all times. Bronchitis. Inflamed, inflamed family environment. Argument and yelling, sometimes silent. Affirmation, I declare peace and harmony within me and all around me. All is well. Bruises, the little bumps in life, self punishment. Affirmation, I love and cherish myself. I am kind and gentle with me. All is well. Bulimia, hopeless terror. A frantic stuffing and purging of self hatred. Affirmation, I am loved and nourished and supported by life itself. It is safe for me to be alive. Unions, lack of joy in meeting and experiencing of life. Affirmation, I joyously run forward to greet life's wonderful experiences. Burns, anger, burning up, incensed. Affirmation, I create only peace and harmony within myself and in my environment. I deserve to feel good. Brucitis, repressed, repressed anger, wanting to hit someone. Love relaxes, releases all unlike itself. Buttocks represents power. Loose buttocks, loss of power. Affirmation, I use my power wisely. I am strong, I am safe, all is well. Now B stops here. I'll have to start C. How much time it has taken? 7:45. So I'll stop here and then in the next video I'll start from C. This is GS Anand. I am a mechanical engineer turned digital recruiter trainer. Signing off for now. Thank you. Bye.